Gauri Guarairee is a mood within us which makes us proactive. It is the mood which balances our ego, but the approach is very direct. Mommy sometimes will say, okay dear, have this because of this. Do your homework because you don't want to go behind and lose your career and all of those things. She will probably give you analogy 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. But sometime in the same household, the dad will have a different approach, want you to be encouraged, want you to be good, want to see a good thing for you, but goes a bit direct and harsh. It doesn't wrap around the words. It doesn't give you many analogy. It is just black or white.